Welcome, Huskies, back to the show. My name is Mr. Luna. There is a virtual FASFA workshop on October 2nd via Google Meets starting at 12:40. It's to prepare you to fill out the FASFA application. You will need your Social Security number, alien registration number, your date of birth, your parents' 2019 tax returns, W-2 forms, and any 1099 forms that they may have. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact Mrs. Purifoy. Her contact information is down below. Gear Up is also holding its own FASFA workshops. They are on October 7th, October 15th en Español, and October 20th. To register, go to apply.nevada.edu. That link is also down below. That's all for today, Huskies. Stay healthy, stay sharp, and don't be late to class.